Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Nasaan na yung maliligaw mo? First, the important person in your life.
Lord! The important person is Jesus Christ.
No! First, the gift.
Merry Christmas!
Kamsahamnida! Merry Christmas! First, your first appearance in my vlog. Say hello!
Merry Christmas!
Ala, grabe naman!
Happy birthday!
Yun, so,
Dalawa.
this season, I receive 2 gifts because my birthday and Christmas, diba? Kamsahamnida. So let's see who among our members can give me this. Salad, may chicken. I don't need this. Ayoko nito. Gusto ko nakasobre. I want in the envelope. White envelope. Charot ko. Okay. Okay, thank you. These are things that I will receive. So later, we will open some of the gifts that they gave. Bye! What's the gift of Keisha? Na! Alam mo naman tayo, we are twins.
Kaya pala.
Yeah, of course.
Sabi ko na magkakapareho talaga tayo.
You have a lot of twins. Yes. Oh, can you open it?
My
Father?
my father. From my sister.
Wow, same gift wrapper.
One from
Okay, can you open it? Sige, ikaw. I think that's lipstick. That's perfume. Wow!
parang ano to? Ito. Thank you po.
Ano siya? Pillow.
Pillow Pops. What's this?
Liquid blush.
Liquid blush.
No, that is a tint and blush.
Ah, okay. 2 in 1.
Because I bought
Nice.
also for myself.
Wow, that's nice.
I really need practice.
Hindi, because you wear
English.
because last Christmas party of their company. Well dressed. Yeah.
Hindi ako yun.
Ikaw yun.
Nakakainisig ako.
That's you.
Bakit ako
No, it's you. Another
From
gift.
my sister. Grabe puro mapapaganda.
Oh! A mask. Nice.
Black friends.
That's good. Nox, from Japan.
Kaya to, first time ko makalimutan.
I think that's perfume.
Ay! Alam ko
What's
ba?
that?
Sabi ko parang yung pala.
O kaya small umbrella. Tama
Kita ko
ba?
yung UV eh.
Oh, yung pala yung umbrella.
Ang galing.
Umbrella pack.
Maliit na umbrella.
Nice.
Ay, maliit.
Ayan. So, do not forget the small umbrella anymore. Nice. Perfect for today because it's rainy day.
Dalawa na yung payo. Ito, napaka-handy niya. Pwede siya sa...
Oh. Nice. Yan, so, because it's Christmas Day, so of course, I'm very excited to open the gifts that I received from my friends and my sister. So, these are their gifts. So, usually every Christmas, I receive 2 gifts from them because it's my birthday and Christmas Day. some sweet foods here by my mother. So let's open the gift from Asia. So honestly, I did not yet buy gifts to them. But maybe I will give by the end of this year. Size 6. Oh, it's good. Wow. See that? We have this bag. So from green, so we have blue as my favorite color. So this. And I think this is a notebook. Bye.
Di ka sumabay, Jazz?
And
Saka ba, uwi?
a notebook. Wow.
Merry Christmas!
I guess I see this notebook from his office table last time. So I pinched
Ano kayo?
like. So
Si Jazz hindi.
I have
Si Brian.
a planner. Is it a planner?
This?
Is this a planner? Wow. So sa 2025, tayo pa din. From artist. Wow! It's so good. Oh, it's so nice. I like it. Yeah. Wow. I should plan everything well. Ang cute. Wow. Actually, I was planning to buy like this.
Napaka, ano niya yun, artistic and creative. Lahat po yan drawable.
Wow. Talaga? Nino?
Artist na walang rollers.
Oh, ito?
Si Ate Jo.
So, this is a personalized planner. Wow. Ganda.
Ito yung palagyan niya yung picture.
Wala ka bang mapapakain sa akin?
Okay. Oo, that's nice. Actually, galing. Actually, I was planning to make like this pero sobrang hirap. Yung magkaroon ka ng sarili mong plan. Wow! So, we have a planner already. Yes. Thank you, Keisha, and from artist na walang ruler.
Hoy, ano endorsement?
So, tag natin siya dun sa video natin. And the last gift, last but not the least. So, this is a box. Ang bigat! Grabe naman. Parang ano to, nararamdaman ko. I think this is a coffee maker, ay coffee grinder. Tama, mali. Sabi ko na. This is a coffee grinder na I was looking for this and my sister brought it. Give me. Thank you so much. So, let's have a separate vlog for this coffee grinder. So, thank you. This is a birthday gift and Christmas gift. Again, that's why they gave me a lot of gifts because it's my birthday tomorrow and Christmas today. Thank you. So, for your gift, cash chat. So, thank you for being with us today. Maraming salamat. But always remember, and I always remember, be with Jesus.